Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you this Desert Smoky Eye from the Physicians Formula Ultimate Murumuru Butter Collection. This is a crazy makeup kit that features their entire Murumuru collection. So it has all of their bronzers, their blushes, their eyeshadows, and it's amazing. So I thought I would show you a full face of makeup using this one kit. So let's just jump right in. So I started off by priming my eye, just using a creamy concealer here. I'm pretty sure this was the NARS concealer. I'm gonna list all of the products and all of the eyeshadow names and everything in the description box below. So the first shade we're gonna take is this bronzy gold eyeshadow, and I'm gonna pop that into the inner third of my eye, and then I'm going to kind of layer that on. And the shadows in this kit are pretty creamy. It's their butter collection, Murumuru collection, so they blend out really nicely. So the second color is this burnt orange, which I love. I feel like this look is really good for the fall too, because it has all those fall-like colors. If you want to go dramatic, it could either be like desert goddess or fall goddess, depending on what you want. But anyway, so then I was using this really nice blue denim color, which I loved. The only thing is I wish it was more pigmented, so it definitely swatched more pigmented than it came on, but I still love it a lot. So I was popping that onto the outer third of my eye, and you can layer these colors and they layer up really nicely, and just making sure everything is blended. So then taking this crease color, it's like a chocolatey brown, and I'm using a crease brush to really define the crease. And the key here is you just want to keep on blending. Blending is always the key. And then I am creating that outer V shape by connecting it back down to where the blue ended, and you get that V shape. And I'm super sorry that a lot of this footage is super blurry. I need to fix my background because that's what my camera seems to always pick up on, but I'll do better next time, I promise. So once that's done, we're going to take this orangey shade. I'm going to blend out that crease and start blending this towards my brow bone, and really take your time here and blend all of the colors together, which is pretty relaxing, I think. So once that's done, that's what we're looking like. Then I'm going to take this taupey goldy color as my highlight shade, and you can amp this up as much as you want. And I also pop this into my inner corner. And then after that, I'm going to clean up under my eye with some micellar water, and we're going to line our bottom lid with this amazing blue color using the same blue eyeshadow, but this time around I layered it over with this blue eyeliner from Prestige Cosmetics. It's so nice, super pigmented and creamy. I love this eyeliner so much. So once we lined the bottom line with that, I'm gonna pop on that same blue eyeshadow and just really work it in and blend it. And I'm going to extend it outward toward the outer corner as well. And then I'm going to start blending it up into where that blue is on my top lid, and just kind of rounding out that outer corner a little bit. And then once that is done, I'm going to take an eyeliner. This is a black gel liner, and I'm going to really line my lid as close to the lash line as possible. I wanted to keep the eyeliner a little bit less dramatic because the lashes are super dramatic. And then I went in with my L'Oreal Kajal, and I really wanted a smoky look, so I really smudged the heck out of my lower lash line and applied tons and tons of Kajal. And then you'll see me going in with a black eyeshadow. We're gonna blend all of that smoky, smudgy Kajal and make it more dark and smoldering, so you can go as dramatic as you want here. and just keep on blending that in. So then I'm just filling in my eyebrows here, just a little bit, using some black shadow, nothing crazy. And then, let's see, okay, so then we're moving on to foundation. So I used this orange color corrector from LA Girl Cosmetics, and just blending that out, and you can see how super pigmented that is. It's crazy. And I'm gonna start looking like a cartoon character here. It's so funny. This is who it reminded me of. I literally look like Yosemite Sam. So there you go. And then we move on to our foundation. So you can use a full coverage foundation because this is such a heavy look, but I'm just using my L'Oreal foundation here. Nothing too crazy because I was not going anywhere after this makeup look. I was at home this entire day, so I did not really need a full coverage foundation. But anyway, so then the foundation is really just gonna bring out this eye makeup look even more. I feel like a good base complements good eye makeup. It just makes it stand out more. So a flawless base is never a bad idea. And then I'm just taking that same foundation under my eye and just really defining the line of my eye makeup a little bit, kind of cleaning up under there. And then I powdered everything down, not too much because again I wasn't going anywhere, but if you are, I would powder up here. And then after we powder, we're going to go in with the bronzer, again from the same kit. Love their bronzers, amazing bronzers. I've been using their Murumuru bronzer for many years now and I love it, and now I have every shade. So, you know, just do the bronzing and contouring however you like it. So I went heavier here for this look. Usually I don't go this heavy, but I thought the look called for it. So then we're gonna take I'm gonna take a sort of warm peachy blush, which you can't really tell on camera, and I think the peachy color goes nicely with the warm colors of the eyeshadow. And then we're gonna get into the best part of this look, which is the highlight. I was so happy with how this highlight came out. I've never used their highlighters. I was like, this is amazing. It was so creamy and velvety. And again, I apologize, it's so blurry, but oh my god, it looked so good in person. Highly recommend these. And that is the final look. So I popped on some lashes and I popped on a orange terracotta lip. This is the Freckle Fiesta lipstick from Fenty Beauty, and I think the lashes are from House of Lashes. So that was the final look. I hope you enjoyed. Leave your comments down below and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.